Hi guys, as you know we are having Ramadan over here in Houston. We are staying at home, and staying at home means you have to cook for yourself. So for my roza, for my fasting, I'll prepare some dishes and I'll show it to you and I'll teach you how to make it. Because remember, I'm a doctor but I know how to cook because we all learned cooking. So let's go and start prep for my iftar. Today I'm going to make 3 dishes and I hope if you learn them properly, you follow my video till end, you'll be able to cook by yourself. And if you have any problem, if any, you can message me and I can tell you, I can guide you. So let's go. Next step is just boil your chickpeas. Check it. Don't put too much water. If you put too much water, it will be too soft, which is not good. So you can see how much water is there. Just it can dip chickpeas. So then the next step, I had some salt already when I was soaking them, so I can add a little bit more into it. And I'm going to put some baking powder, but the quantity of baking powder should be just less than a quarter of a teaspoonful. So in that way, the chickpeas, they will be softened, but they. One tip I want to tell you, I always cut my green chilies with scissors, and they keep my hand safe. No itch, no something like when you cut them with the knife, they are not safe for your hand, and whenever you put your hand on your face, it hurts. So that's how I do.
No.
Since my chickpeas are getting ready, in the meantime I've decided to make some potatoes, mashed potato, a kind of, but it's a patty with cheese. So it's a cheese potato patties, and they are so tasty. Like everyone, whenever I serve them, people, they love to eat. So you can learn it. Yeah, I use 5 medium-sized potatoes, and I have you can say it's 4 or 5 tablespoonful of shredded cheese, which I'll add in it. And I do have I'll use a little bit of red chili, salt to taste, and lemon. That's my ingredient for my patties. So just see how and they are good in calorie wise. Like if you boil potatoes and you cut them, so some of its carbohydrate, they stay within the water in which they are boiling, so calories are reduced. The other thing, I can use them, I know how much to add, but it's mostly for this 4, 5 or 6 you need to have. I'll take 4. 1, 2, 3 medium size. I use medium size teaspoonful, and now it is according to your own taste. Salt. Usually people, those who have disease, like they have blood pressure, they should consume less salt, so they can adjust their salt intake when they make something. The same thing goes with red chilies. If you want to use less, you can use them less. But some people, they like really spicy, so you can add according to your taste. So now I'm making patties with my prep, which I did for potato cheese patties. So they should be not too if you make them thin, they can, when you fry them, they'll lose their shape. So I try my best to keep them retain their shape. So that's how, and I'll show you a trick for that. Sometimes people, they just put in something, they put too much oil, they change quickly, then they lose the shape, and then it is all scattered within the pan. So I'll show you how I do it, and they keep their shape. So let's fry them. My chickpeas are getting ready. In the meantime, I'll utilize my time and I'll fry these patties, cheese potato patties, and I won't put too much oil because it can, it's not good for deep frying. I try to have less oil. You can say it is just 3 or 4 tablespoonful of oil, and let it be stay on fire, on flame for a while, so that they won't, the patty, they won't stick when they are almost ready. So I'll put my patties, and I'll cook it in slow heat. When you are wearing gloves, you should be very careful. You should not touch your glove with a hot oil, because it can cause a problem. So slow cook will help to, it will do the better job as compared to very high heat. So this is the third dish for our Ramadan. This fruit chaat, which is my husband, he cut those fruits. Can you tell me what you did? What did you cut in it?
Well,
and I'll mix something.
Okay, I had used a number of fruits. One was the clementines, banana, blueberries, guava, and strawberry.
Okay. So quantity, I think it's 1 banana, two oranges, two bananas, 2 oranges, 2 guava, so some
and bits of strawberry,
a handful of strawberry and a handful of
yes,
blackberry.
Yep.
So now I'll make the fruit chaat. In fruit chaat we use it's a mix which you can buy. I usually like Shan masala, which is chaat masala. They have a very good chaat masala. I can make it, and then sometime later on I'll tell you how I make it at home. So half teaspoonful. It already has some salt in it, so you can add a little bit salt to taste, because sometimes it is, if you add too much masala, it can cause it will be too spicy. So a little bit red chili. In that way it will give it a good color, but not too spicy. And then we add, you can say 2 tablespoonful of lemon, and sugar. Sugar is usually, it is according to your taste. I don't add too much sugar, but I add, it gives good taste when you add some sugar. It's around about half a cup or more than half a cup. But since we are not eating since morning, since 16 hours, so we can afford to eat them. For my patties, they are almost ready, but I won't turn them. Going to turn their side. I'll wait for 3-4 minutes so that the pan is a little bit cold. In that way, when I'll change the side, they won't be stick to the. You can see they didn't stick. And golden colored patties are there. It is now ready to eat, and I'll pray, and then I'll eat full dates, and then I'll enjoy my food. That is first the jar. Good. That is good job.
As usual, the chana chaat made my wife is excellent, and I enjoy eating her food, whatever she cooks, and especially in Ramadan, it looks very, very good to have such kind of food.
Will you please try patties?
Oh yeah, I will. Absolutely. And all the dishes are prepared without any tasting because of your fasting, and it got a perfect taste. No issues. Well done, Shana. Keep it up.
Okay, thanks for your help. Enjoy your food.